Sana nasagot ko yung tanong mo. I don't usually feel my papa while singing dahil mahihain siya. Happy Father's Day again. To my papa, I love you. Follow for more.